Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today's recipe is the best treat for this scorching summer heat. Yes, we're going to make the super creamy and scrumptious chaat Dahi Puri. Friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, please do it now and enable the bell icon to get my new video updates. Now come, let's get on to the kitchen. For making the tamarind chutney for dahi puri, take 100 grams of tamarind in a bowl and pour 500 ml of hot water. Soak it for 1 hour. And after 1 hour, you can just see the tamarind has been soaked well and it has become soft also. Now to this, add 500 grams of powdered jaggery. If you don't have powdered jaggery, you can use the cubes also. Now take a saucepan and pour the tamarind and also the jaggery. 500 grams of jaggery should be added, and this is the measurement that's to be used. To this, add 700 ml of water. Mix thoroughly and heat it and boil it very well. And once froth comes on top, reduce the flame and mix it well and cook till the tamarind becomes soft and pulpy. You can see it has become very soft and pulpy. At this stage, add half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Do it over a slow flame. And half a teaspoon of dry ginger powder. And quarter teaspoon of black salt. 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder to give very good color. And a pinch of black pepper powder. And half a teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the quantity of salt according to your taste. And mix it well so that the mixture becomes thick. Now you can switch off the stove and you can see that the mixture has been cooled right now. It has come to room temperature. Now you can just mix it well so that the tamarind pulp gets mixed with the water and becomes thicker. Now drain the pulp with a strainer this way so that you get a residue free liquid. The chutney will be completely residue free. So squeeze out the extra pulp from this tamarind, from the soaked tamarind, like this way, and extract only the pulp, the thick pulp, like this way. Now our tamarind chutney is ready. You can just see the residue. Now the thick tamarind chutney is ready. We can go ahead with the coriander mint chutney. Now take a mixing bowl and add 2 cups of coriander leaves and 1 cup of mint leaves. Wash them thoroughly and drain them using a colander. And chopped green chillies 3 numbers. And dry ginger powder half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Half a teaspoon of dry mango powder. Quarter teaspoon of black salt. Quarter teaspoon of chaat masala powder, 2 tablespoons of fried gram, lemon juice taken from half medium sized lemon, salt half a teaspoon. You can adjust the salt according to your taste. Mix thoroughly. And you have to grind them in a mixer, adding some 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and bring them to chutney consistency. Don't make it too thick or too thin also. Add just 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Now our coriander mint chutney is ready. Keep it aside. Let's make the potato masala. Take a mixing bowl and add 1 kg of boiled and mashed potatoes. To this, add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder and quarter teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of chaat masala powder and some chopped coriander leaves and lemon juice taken from a half medium sized lemon. Mix thoroughly so that the entire masala gets mixed well with the potatoes, and keep aside. Take a mixing bowl and add 600 grams of beaten thick curd, must be chill. To this add half a teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Mix thoroughly so that the salt and the sugar gets mixed up well. And now you can see the creamy texture of the curd. Now keep it aside. Now let's start assembling the puris. These are the small puri shells. We are going to assemble all these ingredients into them. This is curd and coriander mint chutney we have taken, and tamarind chutney, potato mixture, cumin powder, and this is chaat masala powder. This is Kashmiri red chilli powder, chopped coriander leaves, save, the barik save I have taken, the very thin ones, pomegranate arils, and take the puri shells and stuff all these ingredients into them. First the potato mixture like this way, followed by the coriander mint chutney. Just top them with some chutney and pour some tamarind chutney, and then followed by the beaten curd, the sweetened curd. You can just pour some generous amount of it. If you wish to add more of curd, it will be more yummy and creamy. And add some chaat masala powder and sprinkle some cumin powder and Kashmiri red chilli powder, followed by some coriander mint chutney and the tamarind chutney, and add some chopped coriander leaves and the save, and finish it off with some pomegranate arils. Now creamy and super delicious dahi puri is ready to be served. Serve immediately before it gets soggy. Friends, please try this recipe at home and write your valuable feedback. If you like this video and my recipe, please hit a like, subscribe to my channel, and please share this recipe with your family and friends. Friends, thanks a lot for watching my video. See you in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye bye.